Hi, and welcome to BookTea, your online bookstore where you can read books and drink tea. So we have here this project is made for third year at our college. So me and my teammates. So we've got an A plus grade, and this project is made using Microsoft ASP.NET Core, and which is basically contains MVC, which is a model view controllers. Um, Here is the code. I won't spend a lot of time on it, so you can feel free to look at the code on GitHub if you want to check it. So we have your controllers, we have your models, and we have here the views. So here's a book's controller. We have here the book model. We have here the also book for create, delete, update, and also the views. So let's jump into the project itself. So we have here our home, privacy, customers, shipping companies, books, publishing houses, orders, authors, books authors, cost specification, and payments. So we have here the customers you can manage or create customer also for companies, shipping companies. We have also the books, publishing houses, and authors and books authors, and all of this you can manage and create. So we have here in the books page, for instance, we have here some data of added before. We can you can like search by the name of the book. Like if I said Harry Potter, for instance, and search, it will only give me the results which contains Harry Potter. Uh, so here it is. So now, if I want to search about sort, we have sort and pagination. So this is search. We can sort by the title. Here is it's sorted. Here it is sorted. We can sort by the price, ascending or descending. We can sort by the rating of the book itself, and we can sort by the quantity. And also we can sort by the name. All of this is ascending and descending. So we have here, as I said, the pagination. Like on every 5 books, you have a new page, so you don't have a lot of like a list full of books at one page. So it makes it easier for you. So for instance, like I can like create new book from here. You can enter title, price, rating, description, and quantity, and the publishing house ID for the book. And you can also upload the picture of the book. Uh, so we can here see the publishing houses that we have. We can see our customers. We can add new customer, for instance, like you have a password. Let's make it 456. We can name like Ahmed, for instance. We have an email like Ahmed gmail.com. We can make date of birth. Let's make it just random for now. Here. Okay. We can have an address like Cairo and Egypt. We create our customer. So we have our customer here, add it to the list. We can also sort by the name or the email, as we said, ascending or descending. And you can also sort by the date of birth and by the address or country. So let's change the address, for instance, for Ahmed. Let's make it, for instance, Alexandria. Save. Okay, we can sort it by the address, ascending or descending. Um, so yeah, this is our publishing houses. You can create new one. You can search. You can sort. You can paginate through pages. We have local authors. We have everything you need here in our project. You will find it. Here we have our cost specification for each shipping or delivery. You can also sort it, and you can search for instance, for Cairo. See here we have Cairo and North Sinai. If I said search by Cairo, it will only show Cairo results for us. So I hope you guys like our project, and yeah, goodbye.